Alright, here we are in Hanoi, and I am just about to go into Cafe Giang, which is the first of the reviews of 4 coffee shops I'll do over the next couple of days. I can't take that much caffeine in one day these days, so I'm going to have to spread it out. But here we go, Giang Coffee.
Terribly here, but do you know what a snowball is?
Yes.
It tastes like a snowball. Seriously, it tastes like a snowball. It's an advocaat and whatever it is, fizzy stuff. Yeah,
except
it tastes like a snowball.
Yolk in it.
So just going to have a quick look at how they make the egg coffee. So the magic ingredient is the sugar, and that's what gives it that's the caramel texture as well. It's pretty delicious.
Here's the coffee right there.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.